Class of 2018, you are powerful. You are the Fighting Scots, and I know that you will fight very hard for the things that you love. And if you keep showing up, you will be victorious. Congratulations.
This is the place we have called home, in the middle of the cornfields with the sounds of the bagpipes playing in the background. We made it through all the good and bad times, and this is why I congratulate everyone here, because we have been an exceptional class.